Put the strapping on the back box. Hold the handle with the right hand. Press down the handle. Place the strapping under the tooth plate and the knife body. The end of the strapping should exceed the tool. And loosen the handle. Slide the strapping into the cutter groove and spindle groove. Hold the tensioner with your left hand and swing the handle back and forth with your right hand until the strapping is pulled tight. After pulling the strapping to the appropriate tightness, place the buckle with the opening facing down on the strapping. Place the sealer tool fully open over the buckle, then close the handle so that the buckle is fully clamped. Then remove the sealer tool. Press the handle of the tensioner to cut the strapping, and press the handle to move the tool to the right until it is removed from the strapping.